In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Asana into your workflow efficiently. Asana is a powerful tool for managing projects and tasks, and with just a few simple steps, you can easily integrate it into your daily routine. Let's dive right in and make the most out of this 5-minute tutorial. First things first, we need to get to the Asana website. Open up your preferred internet browser and head on over to the Asana login page. Once you're there, you'll see a place to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email that you use for your Asana account. Once you've got that in, look for the continue button and give that a click. Next up, it's time to enter your password. This is the same password you chose when you set up your Asana account. After entering your password, you'll see a login button waiting for you. Click on that and you'll be taken to your Asana homepage. Now that you're logged in, let's talk about tailoring Asana to your specific needs. Start by clearly defining the stages and tasks involved in your current workflow. Think about the steps you and your team typically follow to complete a project. It's important to break it down so nothing gets overlooked. Be specific when considering the goal of your workflow. Knowing exactly what you're aiming for can provide clarity and direction for everyone involved. With clear goals in mind, you'll be able to better design your project structure in Asana. Determine which of your team members will be part of this workflow. It's crucial to know who will be responsible for each part of the project, so you can assign tasks accordingly and keep everyone on the same page. With these elements clear, it's time to build. Start building your workflow in Asana by creating a new project. Utilize Asana's workflow builder to set up the processes and stages that you've defined. This feature makes organizing your steps logical and intuitive. Don't stop there. Take advantage of additional features like forms, rules, and approvals that Asana offers. These tools are fantastic for automating repetitive tasks and ensuring that your workflow is efficient and smooth. Finally, remember that Asana doesn't exist in a vacuum. It integrates seamlessly with various tools you might already be using like Gmail, Google Calendar, and Slack. Leveraging these integrations can significantly streamline your workflow and make life a whole lot simpler. By following these steps, you'll have Asana set up and working for you in no time. It's about making the tool work seamlessly within your existing framework, enhancing productivity, and easing communication across your team. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more quick, simple guides like this one.